Which is Rob Elvington and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And we'll be tracking some pretty serious heat building in by next week. Right around Wednesday and Thursday, we're expecting highs in the low, possibly even mid-90s. So yeah, we've got some of that serious heat heading our way too. There's a look at our Decatur sky camera. This is looking off to the west, pointed towards where the sunset will be here in about 3 hours. And you'll notice sky's kind of milky, and we're actually still getting quite a bit of that smoke from some of those fires burning in New Mexico. That, of course, is our Decatur radar, part of the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. But we are dry right now for most North Alabama. Still that chance for a few storms here through this evening. It's 84 degrees here at 5 o'clock and a nice little west-northwest wind at 7 miles per hour. You actually need a little bit of that breeze to kind of cool you off some. And as we take a look at the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, this animation's over the last hour, and most of what we've seen so far today has been east of I-65 and closer to Sand Mountain. And a lot of the storms that we're seeing closer to Chattanooga, these are all dropping to the southeast. And we got some storms that are drifting off to the south closer to Birmingham, but that's pretty much about it. Now, some of the model data does indicate that these clusters of storms, they'll send out what we call outflow boundaries, and those will drift into North Alabama, possibly triggering some more showers and storms over the next few hours, but they've been showing that all day today and has yet to really materialize. And as we zoom out again, we're just tracking a lot of those storms that are kind of missing North Alabama here for your Saturday afternoon and evening. This evening, we'll still keep those chances at 20%, dropping down to about 70 here by 9 o'clock. And then by tomorrow morning, temperatures bottoming in the low to mid 60s. Temperatures up to 66 degrees by 7 a.m. with even a chance for a few lingering showers, even isolated storms all the way through sunrise. Then by tomorrow afternoon, yeah, we're back up to the upper 80s, close to what we saw this afternoon, and about a 20% chance for some pop-up showers and storms. Chances will go up a little bit by 5 and 6 tomorrow. What I'm concerned about will be that cold front moving in by tomorrow night, closer to and even after midnight. And we'll likely see a line of storms dropping in from out of the northwest. But what you'll notice, you've got that orange off to our west, just crosses over into Colbert County and into Lauderdale County, and then we drop to a 1 out of 5 severe risk. So the idea is that line of storms is going to weaken as it moves into North Alabama early Monday morning. Future radar, this is 8 o'clock this evening, showing some storms. And again, it's a little aggressive with all the storm activity closer to Jackson and DeKalb County, but I'll keep a close eye on it through this evening. And a lot of that continues even through the overnight hours into your Sunday morning, and then we dry out, but that also allows for us to heat up, and then another round of pop-up showers and storms developing ahead of the main cold front. And you'll notice that line right there around 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. That has the chance of bringing a few isolated strong storms, but then it just falls apart by the time it reaches I-65, with just some lingering showers into your Monday morning. Look at the rainfall forecast for the next couple of days. You'll notice some of those darker greens on the map. It's about 1/4 of an inch of rain, and that's really all we're expecting through the next 7 days. So by far, the best rain chances, they'll come over the next 36 hours. Look at the 7-day forecast. We'll bottom in the mid-80s on Monday behind the cold front, 87 on Tuesday, and then up to 91 on Wednesday. We're still waiting for the first 90 of 2022 in Huntsville, and then I'm actually going with mid-90s for Thursday. So yeah, quickly getting a taste of summer by the second half of next week.